to hear a little bit about InnoFoodAfrica project partners from Ethiopia. So I'll go directly to Ayalo Demso from the Amhara Cultural Research Center.
Thank you, Alam. Thank you, Alamu. Thank you, all participants, for coming this Inception workshop. I will present the general introduction of Harare crop interventions, project sites, and activities to be performed. I'm Ayalo Demso from Amhara Agricultural Research Institute. Next slide, please. Next slide. Crops selected for participatory research here in Harare are back. Crops selected for participatory research here in Harare are F, maize, faba bean, and orange flake sweet potato. And we do have also an adaptation trial of faba bean, which will be done in collaboration with University of Helsinki. University of Helsinki had 4 acid and aluminum toxicity tolerant genotypes that has been identified. And it will be a solution for, especially for Banja district. And the project site of Harare are Banja district at Awi zone. And the second site is Jabi district in West Gojam zone. So we do have 2 FPR groups in these 2 sites. And each FPR group had 30 members. So we will have a total of 60 farmers as FPR group. And the PBS activity will be started in the upcoming main season. Next slide, please. So the overall activity of Harare in the project is conducting assessment for the evaluation of different level of stresses such as soil acidity, aluminum toxicity, drought, disease, and etc. And the second evaluation is evaluation of the current farming system, including both pre-harvest and post-harvest, which helps us to identify the gap and prepare training manual and provide training for the FPRs on food safety, soil and water management, improved crop production practice, post-harvest management and technologies, soil fertility, building technologies, appropriate harvesting procedures, handling and storage methods, and the last is valorization of side streams. And on the second year, best performed and selected crop varieties from the PVS activity will be scalped for the second and the third year. And the rest is for the adaptation trial, the best adapted genotype among the 4 genotypes that has been identified by University of Helsinki will be demonstrated among the FEBR groups. And the second activity is demonstration of post-harvest technologies, such as improved storage structures, improved solar dryers, which is very important for off-grid areas. And an alternative is integrated introduction and demonstration of integrated solar dryers, where among the FPR groups where the electricity is available. And the third one is demonstration of important transportation techniques. And at the mid of the third year, the FPR group will be registered and recognized as a legal entity cooperative. This will be done in collaboration with ANER's Cooperative Promotion Bureau. Hence, the cooperatives will be given adequate training, starting from the first year to up to the third year, and they will be engaged on small-scale food processing technologies, basically on bakery industries, extruded food products, gluten-free food products, and nutritionally dense food products. These food products will be available at local and at local market, and it will be a potential for export. And the third one is they will be engaged on valorization of side streams by preparing or by developing bio-based packaging materials. And the third is they will be engaged and they will create a great job on seed production and marketing. This is all. Thank you for listening. Thank you, Alamu.
Thank you, Ayale. I'll now invite Ngadu from Bagat's Agro Industry PLC to talk about his organization.
Thank you, Ato Alamu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Yes, thank you very much, everyone. We are glad that we are part of the InnoFood project and have the opportunity to address bottlenecks of the productivity, limited access to urban market, and affordability, of course, also sustainability of end products. Then, as you see, my presentation have 3 slides: a company profile, role of GATS, and way forward. Next, please. Yeah, this is a company. Just to give you a brief introduction of our company, our company have established in 2005, as you see, with single product that uses maize, soybean, and fortified with mineral and vitamin. We had about 70 workers at that time, that reached about 200 by now. And we also diversified our product by 2010 by adding some additional products like breakfast foods, like kind of snack, and salt in 2010-11. Now, just last year, we introduced the new feed line to use the byproducts of all the leftovers from other products, such as the baby food, snack, and salt. And some challenges you see here, like barriers, access to suitable finance. Why we say suitable finance? Of course, there is a finance in the country which is not suitable for the agribusiness in our experience, because we are like trying to address our business model, which is stated here as GATS Agro aims to be the largest nutrition food processing company in Ethiopia by offering safe and quality foods to its customer, including business models through innovative distribution models. And we try to make it inclusive, our business, by involving farmers in our raw material supply, as well as women in the market. So in this project, we want to see these all challenges to be addressed, and our role in the project are as follows. In the work projects 3 and 5, we co-work with other stakeholders to collect, evaluate, and take action on the barriers. We also work in work package 6 to identify existing actors. Actually, it has been mentioned that communication and dissemination was important for all the partners. We are also be part of the activity that help obtaining knowledge about the food and package consumption patterns in order to target correct market segments in the local African market, as well as export in European markets. Next, Dr. Alamu. So finally, we are also expecting from this project some of the challenge to be addressed. You see the picture here that we introduced the innovation market model, is a door-to-door distribution model in Ethiopia. It has been launched in 2016, but we are looking here forward to see more models to replicate it and scale what is started by our company long ago. So we are also looking for market information, which is limited in Ethiopia. Accessing quality and reliable information is also very tough to get. We are also looking forward for potential for harnessing the power of information and communicating technologies as strategic tool for the rural value addition and empowerment of providing transparent and competitive price discovery mechanism. We tried in our past experience to make our food affordable to the consumers. We also tried to reach the low-income consumers, but we are still looking forward for a solution like mentioned in this project. And with that, I would like to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ndu.
Good morning all. This is Paulos from Center for Food Science and Nutrition. I am the head of the center. And Center for Food Science and Nutrition of Addis University was launched in 2007, and we have 4 streams in food science and nutrition, and clinical nutrition, dietetics, and community nutrition. We are a graduate program. We teach and we advise students, masters and PhD students. And though our center is one of the youngest in our university and in our college as well, we have different collaborations internationally and local collaborations. And we have also different international and local project engagements, and one of them, which is InnoFoodAfrica. And in InnoFoodAfrica project, we have major work package leader in work package 2, but we involve also in work package 1, work package 3, work package 4, and work package 6. And that being said, just few points about our international collaborations. We have active projects funded by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Ensure Project. We have GeoNutrition Project, which is funded by the same organization, and we have also another European Union funded project, OR4Food, which is working on making biofortified crops. And we have also another collaboration with European Union to teach to train government organizations like Ministry of Trade staff members to make them skilled in their work area. So sorry that I didn't get the invitation because you have sent the invitation to the wrong email. I didn't prepare the slides like I don't prepare the slides for the other colleagues, but this is a very few introduction of our center, and I'm attending the meeting, and thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Alamo.
Thank you so much, Dr. Paulo. Sorry for not sending you the invitation. I thought I had the correct email address.
I will send you the correct address later on when you finish this meeting. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So